Guys, it's my individuality. If you're looking for a nice water bottle, maybe you want to consider the pretty water bottle from BuildLife. I really like this bottle because of the design. This is 1 gallon. I love the color. It also comes with motivational message. What I like about the straw is that it comes with a cover. So sometimes, if you are at the gym and if you're working out and you want to drink water, you don't want to touch the tip of the straw. So just lift this up and that's it. So you don't have to touch it. That's what I really like about this. Also, as I said before, the color, I really like the design. I like the color. It looks so pretty. And I really love my bottle. Every time I go somewhere, they ask me where did I get it. And this is 1 gallon. And it's very nice. If you want to go to workout, bring it to work, you just need this bottle for the whole day. You don't need to be refilling glasses of water, but I just fill up my bottle and then I have it through the whole day. So I found this is very helpful for me, but that's my point of view.